Okay, so now we are going to warp the point type. And we'll be doing that on all three different sentences. I'm just going to do with the first one on the right. And if in the layers panel, I'm going to click on what's new in web type. And then I click on warp text. And I get this box. And we want to choose wave. And let's look at the settings. They want us to do a blend of 33, a distortion of a negative 23, or that was a horizontal distortion, and a vertical distortion of +5. And then I press OK. So that's what it looks like in the wave format. Let's go to Window, History, and we can see before the wave or the wrap distortion. And let's go ahead and work on the other two. So I select what's new in type effect, then go to warp text. And this time I'm going to just have fun. We did wave. How about flag? And you can play around with these bars. So if you want to play around with the flag going that way, well, that's kind of cool. But it also makes it so it's hard to read. So the goal is that so you can read. But this would be a really good effect for something else, like maybe your postcards. And then I press OK. And then on the next one, we're just going to have fun. I'm going to right click on the layer. What's new in 3D type, choose wrap text, and for style, why don't we do bulge this time? And whoa, just kind of play around with these slider bars. So that's the fun of it, and press OK. So we worked over, we used 3 different wraps, and have fun.